Hello happy family, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my delicious authentic Ghanaian yam eto. Yes, you heard it right, yam eto. It is so delicious, so please come with me and let's share this joy together. So first I am going to cut in my yam. So I got this yam I think a few weeks ago and I used half of it. And of course with this yam you always keep the stem because you can plant it in your garden and it will turn into yam. I remember back in Ghana my dad used to do that all the time. Whenever we buy yam, we don't throw the stem away because it is really good and it can give you fresh yam in your garden. So I'm just gonna cut in my yam into pieces, and this is how and what we like it. And after that I'm gonna wash it in a very clean water, and we are going to wash this twice. Trust me, this yam eto, I don't know if you have ever tried it before, but if this is your first time discovering this, trust me, don't hesitate to do it at home for your family because it is so delicious and you cannot even tell that it is yam. So next I just turn on my stove and I'm going to add in my yams. Yeah, I'm not making a lot, so just a little bit. Few of them will be enough for me and my family. So we are using a low medium heat to boil the yam. And next I'm going to add in 2 habanero peppers. I don't want it to be too spicy. And also I'm going to add in 3 large eggs. You know, a top without eggs is impossible. So after that I'm going to add in my salt to taste. And then you're going to cover it and leave it on to boil. At least it will take about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. It tastes really fast. So now my pot is ready. I'm just washing it, and I'm going to wash my eta also, which is my asanka, and that is where we're going to grind our pepper and onion. So I'm using in 1 medium onion. I'm gonna cut it into 2, and I will save the half because I'm not planning to use all of it because I'm not making a lot of eto. Yeah, so just, you know, cut it into pieces, and then we're going to blend it in asanka way. Me say eto we trebi na hwe, trebi pa na hwe. So I just add in my salt, and it will help me blend or grind my pepper and my onion really fast. Yeah, as you can see, you need your muscle to grind this, you know, in your local or, you know, authentic way. So back to my yam. It is doing really good. It is boiling, and this is the perfect time to take off my pepper, and I'm going to grind it as well. So yes, it is better always to cook the pepper first before, you know, you add it into your eto, because that way it will not give, you know, the top weird taste. You know, sometimes if you don't grind it, it will taste like pepper, you know, fresh pepper in it. You don't want it. So now I have in my oil, I'm just using in dry or smoked herrings. I don't have momone. Normally if you have momone, it is awesome, but I don't have it right now, so I am using in my smoked herrings. And I'm just gonna let it cook for about a minute. Yeah, don't overcook your oil. It is very important. So after that, removing, you know, your oil, and now it is the perfect time to blend in our yam. So as you can see, I'm just mashing in my yam right here in, you know, local authentic way. This is the perfect time to, you know, just add in your hot pepper. Yeah, and after that just pour your oil on top of it, and then just mash them all together again until everything is well incorporated together or combined. So this recipe, it is not really hard to do. It is so easy, and it is very simple, and the taste there, you have to, you know, eat to tell. So I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of peanut butter. So I'm adding in my peanut butter right now. It helps taste really nice because a top without peanut butter or in COCOYAM yana that. So make sure that you add in your peanut butter, and you know, so you can get your taste for your authentic eto. So after everything is well blended, I am going to garnish my eto with some of avocado, and I have in here my roasted peanuts, you know, right here on this side. Yes, I'm adding another peanut or so. You can add anything of your choice when it comes to the toppings. And yes, I'm gonna cut in my onions. I'm just adding in right here. And of course, let me complete my eto with my egg, because egg without eto there, not just say you're halfway done, right? So after that, I'm adding a little bit of green onions on the top, and just like that, my eto, it is ready. So happy people, this is the recipe that you want to try at home. So this is how I make my authentic all-time favorite Ghanaian eto, yam eto. So I hope you are going to try this recipe and leave me some feedback. I would love to hear back from you how yours turn out. So until I see you once again on my channel, stay safe, stay joyful, and have a blessed day. Bye bye.